Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will compare the Infiniti G37 and the Acura TL SH-AWD. We'll explore their key differences and similarities across several important categories. Our goal is to help you understand what each car offers, so you can make an informed decision about which luxury sports sedan is right for you. We'll cover everything from engine power to interior comfort and long-term ownership. When it comes to performance, both cars deliver a thrilling experience. The Infiniti G37 typically boasts a 3.7-liter V6 engine, producing around 330 horsepower and 270 pound-feet of torque. It offers both rear-wheel drive and an intelligent all-wheel drive system. The Acura TL SH-AWD, also with a 3.7-liter V6, generates about 305 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque, exclusively featuring its advanced super-handling all-wheel drive for exceptional cornering. Stepping inside, both vehicles offer a premium feel, though with different philosophies. The Infiniti G37 presents a driver-centric cockpit, often with leather-appointed seats and aluminum trim. It can include a Bose premium audio system and navigation. The Acura TL SH-AWD provides a more spacious interior, especially in the rear, with comfortable leather seating and available Milano premium leather. Its technology package often includes an 8-inch display and advanced climate control. Regarding reliability and value, both cars generally hold up well. The Infiniti G37 has a good reliability score, with an average annual repair cost of around $540. Common issues can include dashboard cracking and air conditioning problems. The Acura TL SH-AWD also receives good reliability ratings, though some owners report excessive oil consumption or torque converter concerns. Both offer strong value as used luxury sports sedans, providing a compelling blend of performance and comfort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.